y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. In this video I'm going to show you how to do 2 Christmas DIY crafts using materials from the Dollar Tree. And they are super easy and super simple, gorgeous, and very affordable. So if that's something you want to see, then just stick around. For the first craft you are going to need 1 or 2 of these foam blocks, some twine. This is not from the Dollar Tree, but they have some at the Dollar Tree that is very similar quality to this. A metal bucket of your choice. I got this from Dollar Tree last spring. And a white or green Christmas tree, the mini ones that are 18 inches high. And you're going to need a glue gun, which I have warming up right there. So let's get into it. The first thing I did was take the Christmas tree out of the box, and you're just going to stick these little level plastic things out of the way. You can save them for next year if you want to keep the tree, but we're not going to use them for this craft. And then I just started fluffing out the tree and making it try to look as even as possible. Then I just put some hot glue on these foam blocks and pushed it in very strongly to attach to the metal tin, and then layer it with the next green block with the same glue. Then you just take the end of the tree here and stick it in the center and push very hard. You're going to want to delicately put your fingers on the top of the tree here and just push down very strong, because you want it to go through not one of the blocks but both of them, all the way till you hit the bottom. You want to make it look like the tree is planted in the bucket. So because the tree is still looking a little exposed with the foam on there, I decided to put a little bit of this floral moss on top of it to make it look like it was planted into the grass. Then I just got a clump of that floral moss and started placing it around the tree, and yes, it does get a little messy with the moss falling off of it, but you can just sweep that up or vacuum it up when you're done. And a little bit goes a long way with this moss, so just spread that around the bottom of that little tin bucket there, and you are done. I decided not to use the twine because I liked the bold color of the silver tin, so that's of course your choice if you want to use that or not. Next craft, this one's going to be super simple and super cheap and super easy. I'm just going to be using some of these old ornaments I got from a thrift store last year, and that's another tip for anyone who's wanting to decorate with a little bit more than what Dollar Tree has to offer. Dollar Tree of course has ornaments, but sometimes they only have a select few, and you can only get like 15 at most in a pack for $1. And I just got these at a thrift store for like 50 cents for a whole bag of them, and every thrift store is going to have Christmas decorations out right now, so that's just a tip for you guys. And then I got this at Dollar Tree of course, and then we're going to need some hot glue and your glue gun. So let's get started. I just started gluing the bottom of the ornaments on here and sticking them right directly onto the wreath. So make sure you put a ton of glue onto the ornament, otherwise it's going to slip off and not stick on there. I obviously had multicolored ornaments, so you can just place these strategically around the wreath so that they make an all-around even look, and that will look pleasing to the eye. That is it for the crafts today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe because I'll be making craft videos every Friday. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.